Some big breaking news which is coming in. The BJP has called the Congress out for what it says is a lack of funds. The BJP says that this is completely false, that the Congress is attempting to gain sympathy, saying that it has no money. They say that there is no dearth of resources in the Congress and it is crying about the lack of funds just to elicit sympathy from the voters. Watch this.
कांग्रेस और हाथी के दांत खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग. कांग्रेस कहती है मैं हूं कंगाल, पर एक्चुअली कांग्रेस इज मालामाल एंड द प्रथम परिवार इज एक्सट्रीमली मालामाल, एंड देयरफॉर even as they try to give an impression that our accounts are frozen, which it is not, they have huge stash of money. And we have seen when Dheeraj Sahu is raided, 350 crores is found in one room, and therefore they are claiming to be a poor party, but they are a poor party of very rich individuals, and therefore today they have been exposed, that doublespeak has been exposed. They only claim this to show that they are being vindictively treated, but actually they have huge amount of resources.
In fact, in March this year, the Congress had claimed that the BJP was using income tax department to strangle the party, which is why it's surprising now that they have money for charter planes but not the campaign polls. So let me go across to Niyamika, who's joining us with more details. Any kind of a defense that the Congress can give? How they can explain this duplicity when it comes to doling out the cash?
Well, a clarification which is coming on the part of the Congress party is that Congress is saying that it is because of the BJP government who has snatched the party funds from the Congress, and that's the reason why they are saying that they are unable to give adequate amount of funds to the candidates who are contesting the parliamentary elections. And when we had spoken to several of the Congress leaders, they had said that the BJP government is basically attempting on their own part by misusing the agencies to snatch away the money so that the Congress party cannot campaign in a proper manner, and that is one of the reasons why the party is unable to give adequate amount of funds to its candidates. And that is even what is being mentioned in the letter which is being given by the Odisha Congress leader who had returned her ticket, as Mohanty has also mentioned it in her letter to the Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal, that she is not being given adequate amount of funds for which she is not being able to campaign properly in her own constituency, as she is quite upset over the fact. However, when Times Now had spoken to her, she mentioned that she also tried to speak to the state leadership as well, the PCC president and the state in charge, but there was no positive response which she had got, and that was the reason why she had taken this kind of a strong step against the party. And she has also mentioned that when she asked for the money for her campaigning in the constituency, then the state leadership had answered by saying that she has to manage on herself. So that is the kind of response which the state leadership has given to her, and that is why she had taken this strong step and returned this ticket from the Puri constituency to the Congress leadership.